Let me go on over to YouTube, get the URL. We're going to go ahead and establish the link in the Discord. For those who are jumping in right now, yes, it's public. It's free to everyone. We're going to show you how we do, okay? This is not a game. This is about making money. Let's make money, all right? And so before we get started, let me just go ahead and get everything set up. Let's go ahead and drop these links because everybody knows all those Discords. Sunday shook. You know why? Because they ain't such thing as halfway crooks. Let's fucking go. Let's go. All right. We got this link here. We're going to get it into the live stream at everyone. Let's go. Let's go. This is public. You guys are going to print right at everyone. Let's fucking go. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, dropping these links here. All right, everyone's loading up the chat because it's time to make some money. And then you folks over there at Twitter, you're going to get the link too. I want you to know how we do here, how we make money, because this ain't a game. We are live and printing. Let's go. Got that tweet out. Let's get it. We got people in the chat here. We got 89 people in here. So far, Nacho Libre is printing with AMC. Good. No, we're not doing Ortex. Fuck Ortex. We don't need Ortex, all right? We need to make money. Melissa, what's going on? Morning, everyone. Money, money, yeah. Let's get it. Okay, so there's been some updates to the system. We changed the routers and how we're doing things, all right? And so we will be getting live alerts on Twitter as well. For those who are getting the free alerts, you are also going to get the free alerts on Twitter, all right? So those who follow me on Twitter, make sure you follow at trade_1348. Make sure you follow them. And yeah, let's get this show on the road, okay? So, guys, how you doing this morning? How you doing? What's up, Kim? Nathan, hi, Gabe. How much cash in the account is needed to use a trading bot? Do I need my account to be a pattern day trading one? Well, the trading bot plays the daily, okay? So you're probably not going to be in an intraday trade, all right? We got that pre-workout pump, but here's a little secret. I took the pre-workout without going to the gym because I was caught up this morning just fixing. So I counted on some automation and I counted on a bot to update some things. That didn't work out. So it was manual data entry. I hate manual data entry. All right. Cool. You like my wallpapers, coca hookers back there, right? I'm going to clean this up when I start doing videos and tutorials on how to play 1348. All those other Discords out there, you know, like, y'all can go fuck yourself. Like, seriously, bring the hate, bring it all you want. But, yeah, you ain't going to stop us, right? Seriously, you're not going to stop us. I got some of the smartest men in the game working with me, all right? Now, I'm not the smartest guy in the world, and I humble myself to that. I am not the smartest guy in the world. I'm a trader, and I think it would bode most of you well in those other Discords to just calm down with your arrogance because you still ain't shit. I'll trade most of you, all right? So let's go ahead. Let's rock and roll. Coke and hookers is the way. This is a print shop. We are not gifted. None of us are gifted. We are just persistent, dedicated, and we follow the rules, okay? So let's go ahead and let's get this party started. And there's no other way to get this party started than to look at the SPY. And the SPY has decided you got this put signal pre-market. It's literally just gone ahead and said, I don't want to be a market anymore. So for those who are in the Discord, you know how to play this. This is a rim job application. For those who do not understand what rim job is, we have our own, I guess, verbiage in this Discord, you know, rim jobs, EMAs, aka eat my ass, you know, funny stuff, right? But what this basically is you're playing retracements to the 13 and the bounce off, and you're using these indicators, okay? Now, first things first, To properly use the strategy, you need the best indicators out there. Now, for those who are like, well, is it going to cost me money to go ahead and get a chart on TradingView? Yeah, it's going to cost you money, right? It takes money to make money, okay? That's simple. It takes money to make money. So make sure you sign up for TradingView, get TradingView Pro or TradingView Pro Plus, and then make sure you get your NASDAQ, your Orca, your New York Stock Exchange, all that information. Make sure you get real-time data. That's an additional $6 on top of the premium that TradingView charges, but it is definitely worth it, all right? This is your future. This is your financial future. There are no shortcuts and there's no half-assing it, all right? That's simple. You want to make the best decisions, you need the best charts. Really, that's simple. All right, so we're going to go ahead and look at American Airlines here. Let's check out American Airlines. What is American Airlines doing? And well, we got this call signal right now. You guys know what we do here. When we see a call signal, we're looking at the RSI. Now, this follows all the rules of 1348. Price action above the 200 EMA, we are biased to this call. RSI is above 50, MACD trending upward, shaft trend cycle trending upward, and I would have to say that right here, that is your resistance. That is at 1792. Honest to God, that from 1770 to 1792, that's a 22-cent gain. It is probably not worth it, but if you're in this call, you know where your first stop is, all right? Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. You guys are requesting Tesla, and let's see what Tesla's doing. Tesla's trying to be a car company once again, right? So we have this call on Tesla. You could see support, resistance here, right, guys? Also, just so you know, support and resistance, right? The support is already created for you. The resistance is already created for you, right? So there's no reason you don't have to like dabble with your charts or whatever, right? You just go ahead and you make the play. So here we're looking at Tesla here, and it's broken through this level of resistance. So our next stop would be 763.64. You go ahead and you reach this level, it's time to get out, right? You secure the bag, right? Guys, we're playing for base hits, right? While the rest of the world, they're playing for YOLOs and they're playing for DD and they're playing for street cred because they want a sense of community. Fuck all that shit, right? I'm not sharing my money with you, right? You make your money and you share it with your fucking family. Fuck everybody else. Let's rock and roll. Let's check out Amazon. All right. Let's make this money, ladies and gentlemen. We're rocking and rolling, making this money also later on. Check this out. We're going to have Diana on board, all right? Let's get Diana on board. So we got Amazon here. We do not have a true signal here, right? So this is a matter of letting Amazon play out. And when we say Amazon playing out, we want the signal on intraday. Anything that happens pre-market is not valid to us in how we play. So that put signal happened pre-market, but now we are in open market. What I like to do is treat pre-market, after hours, and market as three separate markets, all right? That's it. That's simple. All right. So let's go ahead. Let's show off DKNG. Draftkings. Draftkings. Okay. Draftkings, major erection here, right? You were alerted this on Twitter. You were alerted of Draftkings on Twitter. Okay. You were alerted on the 3-minute. We played on the 5. We got the call here on the 5. And Draftkings said, we want everything, right? We want everything. So there you go with DraftKings, just running. You guys want to go ahead and check out AMC? Let's go ahead and check out AMC. Everyone says she's on a moon mission. Well, you got this call here, okay? And she's rocking and rolling. What we have to do is find a recent level of resistance, and that level is right here. That level is going to be 1371. That's going to be your resistance. It's looking like she's trying to climb and reclaim this area here. So be mindful with AMC. Obviously, no one's playing options on AMC. No one's playing puts on AMC. All right. Shame, shame, shame. Shame on you if you're fucking playing puts. All right. So go ahead and AMC definitely on the moon mission. She has definitely found this area here. Um, this is going to be interesting, right? 1371, AMC currently trading at 1375. Let's see if she respects that, right? She breaks through this level, then the next step up, we're looking at 1401. Those are our two most immediate levels, okay? Now, let's go. Let's rock and roll. Okay. Miguel Lopez, he gets it. He sees support and resistance. He knows where AMC might go ahead. It moons and then, it's got to break through the atmosphere. Right? That's what it's trying to do. Okay. Let's see. T is a mess. Let's go ahead and look at T. How is T doing? T, AT&T. Yeah, they are my cell phone provider, and they have been for the past 20 years back when they were singular. Okay, so we're zooming in here, and this is a bloody mess. Now, we also have another rule, guys, where you have the 1348. If you see that these EMAs are braiding up and they're not really creating separation, you go ahead and you avoid this play. Now, for those who took this call, you definitely know better. You know better that the RSI popped up, right? It popped up here and then it retraced, right? So this was a short-lived call, and it's just really acting funny. So AT&T is ranging. This is not a play, all right? This is not a play. Let's go ahead and check out Baba Diamond Dog. What's up, guy? What's up, my dude? All right. Let's rock and roll. We got Baba here. Baba's got the call. You know there's money to be made here. You guys know how we roll. RSI, everything. Breaking, not breaking, but breaking the 200 EMA. We're not breaking rules here. We see that it is following the rules. We are biased to this call because price action's above the 200 EMA. We got this cross. RSI is above 50. MACD trending upward. Shaft trend is saying, hey, let's fucking go. Now, you got to pay attention to this. It broke this level here. It broke this level at 91.18. Next stop would be 91.62. If you got in on this call and you're profitable, please consider these two ranges. And then once you get to those ranges, you go ahead and you secure the bag, right? There's no reason to ride it up and then absorb the downside. There's absolutely no reason to do that, all right? Once you start absorbing the downside, your emotions start kicking in. And we're not about emotions. I'm emotionally drained. Okay, let's go ahead and look at Target TGT. TGT, Target Corporation. Let's go. And what the fuck? Did Target just Target just died? Right? Target was like, yeah, we don't have rollback prices, Walmart. We don't have rollback prices. And yeah, now we are flat here. Target, as of this moment, has not created a viable play for us. This is not a high profitability trade, okay? Can you kill Target? Good on you, bro. Good on you. Now let's go ahead and look at the tech sector. We're going to look at NVIDIA, then we're going to look at AMD and see how these guys are doing. So we got NVIDIA here. We got this call. You guys know how we do. It's following the rules. We got price action above 200 EMA, RSI. We have the RSI above 50. A little overbought, all right? Be cautious here. Also, if you took that call, be mindful of where you're at right now. If you took this call anywhere in this candle and you find yourself profitable on that call because you took the mid price, not the ask, all right? You took the bid, you go ahead and you secure the bag. Otherwise, you wait for this to pan out. Everything is in an uptrend. Your next stop should be 182.22. Okay, so let NVIDIA go ahead and play out again. Believe in the process. Let's go ahead and check out AMD. AMD said, NVIDIA, what? Okay, let's go ahead and see what the hell AMD is doing here, because we got this call here. AMD just went moonbound. But see, guys, this is the thing. If you took this call on AMD and you ran it up, you see where it's at relative to the levels. You also know what goes up, comes down. Your wife understands this very, very well. So you go ahead and you secure the bag because all good things must end, right? It's about securing the bag. Now, Captain Mexico, you're talking about a stock that I have not covered, but we're going to go ahead and do national cinemedia. And I tell you what, all right, listen, brother, I'm going to tell you, Captain Mexico, you want to get rich in this game? You want to get rich in the stock market? Stop playing with poor stocks, right? That shit doesn't make sense. How do you get rich playing with poor stocks? No, you get rich playing with companies that are solid and they have proper valuation. This is a shitty penny stock for a reason because no one fucking cares. All right. Now, let's go ahead and check out, let's see what we have here. What's up with your favorite Ford? Let's go ahead and check out Ford, right? Because if Ford is giving me a buying opportunity, I'm sure as hell taking it. So here we go. Ford 1319. Ooh, great opportunity to average down. It is Put Town in Detroit, ladies and gentlemen. Put City in Detroit. Whoa. Pretty soon you'll be able to get Fords cheaper than you could get houses in Detroit. And we all know that houses in Detroit are stupid cheap. All right, let's bring it. Market run is starting to cool down because what is it, guys? What is today? Is today Wednesday? Today's Wednesday, is it not? What does Wednesday mean? And I'll wait for it. Okay. Monroy, we are not really covering AMC. We're really about making money throughout the broader markets, okay? What do we talk about on Wednesdays? It is Data Burn Wednesday. It is the middle of the week. That means Friday's coming. That means data is through the roof. That means that the bulls and the bears will be put in a range and you will see your contracts just die. Okay, data burn. You don't want any of that data burn, okay? So let's go ahead and go back. Let's go back and see what other tickers. Let's see. Dum. I know you guys mentioned another ticker for me to look at. I'll go ahead and look at AMC at some point, okay? Let's see. Where is AMC? AMC. Per last conversation, 1419. Okay, you know what? Let's go ahead and check out AMC really quick because definitely did break in levels, so it does deserve some coverage. And yeah, in breaking that level, we could go ahead and zoom out, right? So, guys, I tell you, the charts don't lie. We're here on a 5-minute, and we could go ahead and zoom out, and we can go ahead and find resistance. That was in the past, but not too far out. And we can see that resistance was 1401. So it definitely broke this level here, right? But since you got two levels of resistance, right, that's literally what's bringing everything back down to 1376. So ultimately I would like to see another retest, but way to go, Amy. She's definitely trying to break out of the stratosphere. Okay, Lucid is running. Let's go ahead and check out Lucid. Lucid, the other car company that at one point was trading at 60 fucking dollars a share, is now trading at 18. And here we go. Listen, you guys, listen, pigs get slaughtered, right? If you took this call, you got the signal on this call, right? You made money. You made stupid kinds of money. That is your resistance right there. Again, all things must come to an end. You trade to trade another trade. You trade to trade another day. There's no reason why you should put so much stress on your portfolio on one play. The market provides opportunities all the time. There's money to be made. So going back here, I'll tell you what, if you took this call, secure the bag. There's nothing wrong with securing the bag. Okay. If you're going to sit there and say, but what if I miss out on a run? No, you can always re-enter. Okay. You re-enter using a rim job strategy. Now, Miguel says, Gabe, I don't go deep, but I beat the shit out of the sides. Let's go, Oak Park. There you go. Chicago in the house, LAC, Lithium Americas. Let's go ahead and check out LAC. Ladies and gents, we are on a row. Let's make that money. And LAC doing the same thing. All right. We got to find where this level is. Why is it hovering there? Why is it hovering there? And we go ahead and we find the most relevant area in the past couple of days. And all we have to do is go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go back 8 trading days, which brings us back about 2 weeks ago. And you can see that is respecting that level. So it's attempting to find its way. All right. Could it break? Possibly. But right now, our size hella hot, MACD, that erection right there, you see the MACD and the signal line, that is too just like upright. Okay. Secure the bag. You got this call. You made some money. Secure the bag. Okay. Let's go. MU. You guys love that MU. By the way, guys, make sure you smash the like button. It really helps out with the algorithm and it gets me pumped. Gives me wood. All right, now we're going back to MU in the tech sector, and we saw NVIDIA and AMD run, and MU was like, all right, I'm going to head out. That's what MU said. Look what happened here. It literally got rejected at these levels, okay? Guys, there is no voodoo in what we do. There's no magic in what we do. We go ahead and we see these levels and we respect these levels and we play these levels and we play the cross and we stick to the rules and we make money. That simple, okay? Yeah, MU just said, fuck you. BBIG. Okay, BBIG, a shit stock. We played it last year. There was quote unquote so much DD on BBIG. Everyone was going to get rich on this, right? Well, if you took this call just as the market opened, you're here, you made money, get out. You're not going to get rich with BBIG. No one's getting rich with BBIG. You understand that? You're not getting rich on BBIG. All right. Now, Apple is a different animal. Yes, Apple will get you rich. Okay. So let's go ahead and check out and see what Apple's doing. And Apple just legit said, Apple's like, we love Android. Yeah, that's what's happening here. Apple on the put side, just going down. Down, down, down. All right. The thing is, the cross didn't happen before your eyes, so you can't play it. Now, you could definitely go to the 1 minute and utilize the rim job strategy that we talk about here in this Discord. Guys, if you don't understand the rim job strategy, then boo-hoo, shame on you. Make sure you sign up for our Discord. Make sure you sign up for premium and you rock and roll and make that money. Okay? For those who are wondering, like, well, Gabe, how do we sign up for Discord? I'm going to go ahead and put the link here. Check it out in the comments. And it's really, really simple. http://trade1348.com. You should be well aware of this URL because, well, this URL is probably the most important URL in the movement right now. It's going to help you make money. Now, if we look at Apple here, you could see Rim Job City. Rim Job City. How low can you go? Rim Job City, that right there, a little scary, won't touch it, won't play it, not my kind of deal. Have you talked about Target yet? We could go ahead and talk about Target. We talked about Target. Target just committed itself to literally closing its fucking doors. Target was like, we don't want to go retail anymore. We waved the white flag to the Amazons and the Walmarts of the world because Target just literally died over. This is not a viable play. If you were holding Target puts from the night before, congratulations, you made money. But as of right now, this is not a play. I don't expect a move. I don't care for it to move. But we must move on to the next ticker. Let's go ahead. We got back to MU. You guys love you some MU, right? MU put. We have this put here. All right. That's on the 1 minute. Let's go ahead and see what MU's doing on the 5 minute. No signal just yet. But on the 1 minute, should you choose to play the 1348 on the 1 minute, you played it here. You got this cross. You made some money. And then it literally found some support right here, right? You're looking for the most recent level, and we have that plotted for you. This is a level where I would go ahead and say, all right, time to exit, right? Because candles like to play levels. Now, if it holds below this level, then you got these levels here, right? But see, here's the thing. You either want to gamble or you want to go ahead and secure the bag. That's on you. That's not on me. That's on you. But it's all about getting money, right? You know, you go ahead, you take that bravado and throw it elsewhere. right? We don't care about bravado. We don't care about holding for our homies. We don't care about none of that shit. What you're holding for and or what you're playing for is your portfolio and for your family. Because if you're not bringing home that bread, guess what? You ain't making me a wife happy. And if a wife ain't happy, guess what? Right? The little bit of shit you do have in your fucking portfolio is going to get divided in half, especially if you're in a no-fault state and she's taking it. She's going to be like, all right, I'm going to sign up for the 1348 and I'm going to listen to Gabe and I'm going to make some money. And then you're sitting there like, what the fuck happened? Don't blame me for your divorce. Blame yourself for your stupidity. Now, let's go ahead. I'll go. What's going on? We do print in the Discord. Yes, we do. EPD is my oil company of choice. Really nice dividends. I personally treat oil and energy like blue chips. Bojangs, dope, dope, dope. That is a long hold. You have the dividends. Dope. You buy it, you hold it, and that's it. All right. Len Cole already printed today. P&L up 1.9% for the day. 1.9% for the day. Do you guys know how bigly that is? Do you even understand how bigly 1.9% compounded daily is? Jeez Louise, you don't, okay? Let's go ahead. We got 400 people on a live stream. Can you guys go ahead and spam this link fucking everywhere? We want everybody to see the power of the 1348 strategy and my analysis, and more importantly, helping you guys to print. All right, Ben, you're slacking. Haha. Lynn, she's a legend. Yes, you are. All right. Let's rock and roll. Next ticker. Let's rock and roll. How do you know what options to buy? Do you need to pay attention to IV or bid-ask spread? Okay, so, Kath, see, this is the beauty about the system that we created, right? We don't really calculate IV. We don't calculate any of that, right? Where the cross happens is where we look in the options chain for the nearest strike, right? So that's at the money. Now, if you want to, get a little frisky, you play two strikes out of the money. But that is your limit. That is your limit. That is it. Now, let's go back to MU because MU, I'm telling you guys, MU definitely playing this support here, right? It broke through this level that we found here, right? When we were previously talking about it, it's found this level. Next question is, will it come down to this level? Either way, secure the bag. You're in safe hands for now, okay? It's all about securing the bag and making sure that the market doesn't do a boom, boom candle on you, and then you're stuck in your put, and then you're fucked, right? Let's see. Ralph is like, Gabe, talk faster. No, I'm not talking faster. All right, let's go ahead and check out Snow. Snow. You guys remember Snow? There was a white boy from Toronto. It was like Informa. Okay, look at guys. We're looking at Snow on the 1 minute, but let's go ahead and check it out on the 5 minute. On the 5 minutes, Snow has not done anything. All right. Snow has not done anything. Juan is up 14%. Dope, dope, dope. Make that money. Now, guys, we play the 5 minute because the 5 minute is slower. All right. If you're going to play the 1 minute, make sure you have enough stripes under your belt and make sure that you didn't drink coffee because your stomach's going to turn. Sometimes plays work against you and you get the shits and you're like, fuck. I can't take that. I can't take that. Okay. That's it. Hate the stock left the white wrapper. Dope. Ralph is like, I lick your boom boom now. Yes, stay patient on Snow. Right now, there's no play. Now, there will be plays on a 1 minute, but again, that's up to you. That's, how you would tolerate your own risk, right? So check this out, guys. Just for shits and giggles, I explain. You get price breaks, bounces off this support here, crosses over, then finds the 200 EMA, and that was literally its resistance, and now we are back into a put signal. You guys need to understand that EMAs 213 and 48 act as support and resistance lines, and then we give you additional support and resistance for ranges to help you secure the bag. All right, let's it's coffee time. Let's enjoy the silence. All right, guys, go ahead and throw the tickers at me. Let's rock and roll. It's Tesla puts. All right, let's go ahead and see what Tesla's doing. Tesla puts. All right, you guys are watching 1348 in its finest. Now, these live streams will not be public forever, and these are meant for premium members only. But I figured, you know what? The world needs to see this. The world needs to see that you have an opportunity to change your life, and you don't have to wait on anything or anyone. All right. The difference between, just making it and not making it is the choice to make it, right? It's just really that simple. You're making that choice to make it, okay? So let's go ahead and we look at Tesla. Tesla has not matured to a put just yet, right? We're waiting for that cross. Please do not front run. Now, I had a cunt on Twitter saying, oh, the only way this strategy works is if you get in before the cross. And that literally pissed me off. Now, that's a cunt. That's a little beta man. That's not what you do. Do not front run or you will get hurt. Now, front running essentially meaning, let's go ahead and look at it on the 5-minute. Front running is assuming that there will be a put, but then a put does not happen. Okay. So when this put happens on a 5-minute, that's when you take it, right? Tesla came up, tried to hold the 200 EMA, came right back down, right? RSI is now below its moving average. So if you're going to play Tesla, we do have a level right there at 738.62. You can definitely play that and secure the bag. Shaft trend cycle just signaled a sell, right? RSI below 50, all right? The rules are confirmed. Tesla is looking to make a move down, all right? Let's see. I need SPY to go down to 197. Holy shit, you need SPY to go down to 197? Whoa, great, babe. See you next Tuesday. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's happening? All right, let's see. Give me some insight on Mullen, IMPP, Lycee, calls. All right, now, let's see. We're going to go ahead and go through those requests. Let's see. Give me some insight on Mullen. Well, Mullen's a shit stock, but we're going to go ahead and cover that as well. Mullen is in the bottom of the barrel when it comes to EVs. Right now, it's ranging. I don't like what I see. This is just shit. I mean, it's $1.12. Mullen is a stock that you don't play options on. Mullen's a stock that you probably buy and just take a leap of faith in it. If you understand the product, you like the company organization, and you feel that over the next 5 years, it is profitable. But right now, Mullen's nothing. I just really don't care for it. Okay, let's see. NVIDIA put, we'll get to that in a second. Let me go ahead and get back to some of these comments here. Good morning. What's good? Lycee calls and IMPP. So IMPP. All right. Imperial petroleum. All right. What are we doing here? So you got this put here. It found this level. There you go. It found that level. Guys, again, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Are you making sense of this? Is that smooth brain of yours making sense of it? That price likes to find support and resistance. It's here. It's here. It found it. And then it's just moving sideways. If you're in this put, secure the bag because the stock went ahead and told you enough times like, hey, we're done with this. Also, guys, stop asking me to review shit penny stocks, all right? You're not going to get rich off of them. Whoever advised you to buy penny stocks, you need to slap them harder than Will Smith slapped Chris Rock. Penny stocks will not get you rich. Penny stocks will assure that you blow up your portfolio. No bullshit. It's the truth. It's time you start thinking bigger, okay? Honest to God. You want big boy money? You need to play with big boy stocks, all right? Let's go ahead, get back to it. Let's see. Recharge bot. John, review shill. You can go fuck your mother. Keep it moving, bro. Loving the energy, ReviewDork. You tell him, boss man. Those in premium have your back, and we know this works. Those other YouTubers and those, they can suck on their cheats. Yeah, they're missing out. Let's see. Any other tickers? Let's go ahead and look back at Big Girl Money. Yes, Kim. You know what? Big girl money too. Let's be all inclusive. Let's get that big girl money. Okay. So we go ahead and let's check out NVIDIA. I know you guys brought that up again. You guys got me running circles, chasing my tail. Okay. NVIDIA, guys, this is a game of patience. Okay. Look as I said yesterday, right? the market's a game of patience. If you're in a rush, you're going to lose your money, right? You're going to lose your money. Okay. So let's go ahead and check out Licy. Licy. I don't know what got you guys into Lysical here, right? I'll go ahead and play the shit out of this option, right? I mean, hey, it made the move, it made some money, but this is, again, something I really don't care for. You got the call, it broke through these levels that were created the day before, right? Let's go ahead and we zoom out and we see what happened. Okay, major fall from grace here. I really don't care about it. If you're in it and you played this call, secure the bag. Really that simple. All right. John Bennett, no, I'm charged because I actually make money. And, it's like, hey, bro, stop hating. Like I said, you're hating because you're broke. And you're just hating on the fact that I could buy a mother for $1 tomorrow. I literally could. Yeah, I can, for sure. Anyways, ladies and gents, Pumpy Dumpy right there. Yes, Pumpy Dumpy's. John Bennett is the damn show. I know, right? Doing daily lives on Discord, had premium for the first month and didn't see lives. Kevo, actually, this is a new offering. This is something where I felt I needed to get my hands dirty with you guys. I have to go into the battlefield with the guys and help you make that money, right? It's one thing you get alerts. Everybody and their mama came in and we got 1348 alerts too. Like, okay, yeah, you do, but do you even know how to play it? Are you really supporting your community? No, you're not. I am. Okay. And John, whoever, man, just buy. Fucking Felicia, buy. Yeah, Bennett, just go. Be gone. Nobody likes you. All right. Let's see. Phil can play TV. Gabe, let the haters hope. Yeah, let him hate. Baba Fett, what's going on? All right, back to the tickers. Fuck these haters. They're bums, right? Let's see. If you're hating, get the fuck out. We busy making money. All right. I get attention whore vibes from John. Yeah. He's got a micro penis. He's really mad at the world for that. It's not our fault. RTX calls for August, specifically the 105s. Let's go ahead and look at RTX here. We got Raytheon Technologies. Raytheon. Woo! I don't know why you took that gamble on Raytheon, Captain Mexico. I don't understand your logic. I mean, you got 105. That was back in April, right? That was literally a whole month ago at this point. You're hoping for a cross and a move to the upside. I'll tell you what, the only thing that's signaling that right now is the MACD, meaning, the sell-off could be over, and the shaft trend is still signaling a sell-off here, right? So we got some contradiction here. What strike? Let's see. What we're looking at, let's see, RTX calls, money on them in February. I was thinking of getting them again. No, I mean, August should give you a decent enough runway, but, even now on the daily, the market is just, she's on drugs. Bill Lockhart, you go ahead to get started. Visit trade1348.com. That's simple. You guys want premium and you gain access to this and gain the knowledge and have my assistance each and every morning, twice a day. Guys, this is twice a day. I do from 10 to 11, 11:15, and then I also do 2 to 2:15. John, get over it. I didn't pump the AMC coin, bro. I just shared the news. Like, bro, you're so fucking irrelevant. Yes, it's Trade 1348. It goes ahead and it takes you on over to the Patreon. You can go ahead and subscribe and make some serious money with us. Our community is dope. We have taken some OG traders who've been here since January and turned them into machines. And one thing about this community, unlike Mr. Bennett, is everybody's got love. Mr. Bennett's got a lot of hate in his heart. And yeah, whatever. Guys, just ignore his ass. Let's see. JM, your method changed my life, bro. Thank you. That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to see. Great Babe says, yes, we're nice. Now fuck off. All right, can we get back to the tickers? Because I'm more concerned with making money. What's up, Copacetic? How's everything, man? All right. Can you talk about utilization on AMC? No, we're not talking about AMC here. This is not about AMC. We don't talk about AMC. If you want to talk about AMC, there's plenty of other guys who are talking about AMC. I'm talking about changing your life now, not changing your life then. That will eventually happen, but we're changing lives now, all right? Call for the SPY. Let's go ahead. Let's check out AMD and then Facebook. So AMD here, we got advanced micro devices. Okay, now let's bring her down to the 5 minute because that's what we're playing. And okay, listen, I told you, all right, AMD, it ran up, broke all kinds of levels, came back down, and then is right back at this level. You know what? Secure the bag. That's all you got to do, right? You absorbed this here. This is that part that gets your stomach turning, and then now you're here. Why be greedy? This is all about base hits. Do you guys know that 10% a day on your account doubles your account in 7 days? 5% a day doubles your account in 14 days. Get it? Good. Thank you. Base hits. You're not going to get rich in a day. Whoever told you you're going to get rich in a day is fucking lying to you. And that's why people are getting hurt. Is the 1348 strategy explained and taught thoroughly? Absolutely. Base hits all day. That's it. Foodmatic says, join and find out. Solid. I'm in. Brother, love to learn. That's right. You learn. Let's make that money. I made money because of you teaching. Shelly. Boom. That's what we like to see. All right. Let's see. Come on, tickers. Let's go. We got AMD again. Secure the bag on that. Let's go ahead and check out NVIDIA. Let's see how NVIDIA is doing. And then, NVIDIA is still moving sideways, guys. NVIDIA is not a high quality play. Let's go ahead and check out Tesla. I know you guys like to play Tesla because TMI likes to play Tesla. And Tesla is doing the same thing as NVIDIA. This is not a high quality move. That's something I'm staying away from. Let's go ahead and check out Apple. All right, Apple here. Let's see. Whoops, wrong ticker. Apple, where are you? Here we go. Apple still trending down. All right, and looks like it will continue to trend down. Certainly oversold on the 5 minute. You would have to play Apple on the 1 minute. There are no signals that have been generated on the 1 minute or the 5 minute in intraday. Okay, so this is a matter of being patient with Apple. UPST. I know UPST was all the rage yesterday. I know TMI was talking about it yesterday. Let's go ahead and talk about Upstart. So Upstart, here on the 5 minute, you got this call. It is hitting the 13 right now. This is what we call a rim job. Now, look at the RSI, severely overbought. You see this MACD here, guys? It's crossing back down. You see we got light mint green here on the histogram. This is coming back down. What goes up must come down. Again, what goes up must come down, right? We just don't go, what goes up must come down. Secure the bag. Definitely secure the bag. Now let's go ahead and check out Shop. Let's see what Shop is doing. Shop. Okay, so Shop, here we go. You get this call here that was signaled, and then it's literally finding itself right here. It's finding itself right here. Do you guys see that? You guys see it? It's just breaking. It's trying to find support here. Now, if you got in this call on this candle here, right? And you're here right now. You're profitable. Secure that bag, right? You see the RSI is pivoting right back down to its moving average, which means that it's coming down. It's coming back down. All right. So secure the bag. There's no reason to hold the bag. All right. It's all about base hits. And let's go ahead and look at Sundial, even though Sundial, we just call it Sundial, but Sundial here. Sundial is a shit stock. Good luck playing it. We're done. End of analysis. We do not care about Sundial. All right. It's over. It's a penny stock. It's garbage. We don't do penny stocks, guys. Cognitive resonance. If ENPH is a penny stock, I'm going to be really, really mad at you. All right, we're not doing penny stocks. Enphase Energy. Ooh, good for you. This is not a penny stock, and I like it. All right, so you got this call here coming in. That call printed at or about on this candle at 158. Currently at 163, sitting on top of its 13 EMA. We go ahead and we zoom out and we find a level, and we found this level right here. Nope. We need another level. So we got to go back. Yes, we go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 to 8 trading days to find this level. So what that means, guys, is that, you hit a level. It's time to secure the bag. that simple, okay? Look where the RSI is at. It is broken below its moving average, and then the MACD has reached the peak, and once that signal breaks below its MACD, it is going back down, all right? I did all that. My screen's down. Man, I'm doing too much too fast. I'm assuming you guys would have the chart open as well, right? But let's see. Daniel Ray says, do you need a 25K? Let me go ahead and review this really quick again. So you found this level of resistance, right? Goes back 8 days, right? You got this call. You hit this level. It's bouncing off to 13. Secure the bag. RSI breaking below its moving average. MACD. We got light green on the histogram. We got the RSI breaking below its moving average, and the shaft trend just sitting there sort of kind of elevated. Now, could this continue to move? Yes, it can continue to move. But you know what? I'm all about money now. And then, like whatever, I can jump back in later. All right. All right. Is selling options considered day trading? Now, guys, see, here's the thing. You could go ahead and set up your brokerage to a cash account. This is the reason why Webull is so popular. On Webull, you can set up a cash account and play options and literally day trade, all right? As long as you have set up cash, okay? You need a cash account. And again, Webull is the broker of choice with a cash account, okay? Now, for those who are curious what our alerts look like, we're going to give you a peek into the Discord here. We're going to show you guys what our alerts look like, and then we're going to blow your mind here, right? Let's go ahead, get into the Discord. We're going to open the Discord here. I'm going to show you guys what these alerts look like on the 3-minute. And, for those who are in, free members or considering joining, right? So what we have are 3-minute SPY alerts, right? These are our index alerts. And these index alerts literally give you the rules, but it gives you support and demand charts on the 3-minute, the 5-minute, and the 4-hour here. And it gives you the rules, right? Whenever it's a call, gives you a specific set of rules to follow. You follow those rules, you print. If it gives you a put, all right, it's telling you it's a cross up or a cross down, right? If you find a cross down, such as with the QQQ, you simply go ahead and you open the chart on the 3-minute or the 5-minute, whatever time frame you want to play, and then you follow these rules. We break it down, but we also have additional videos for you to learn the concept, all right? You don't need 25K if you're using a cash account. That's it, all right? You don't, okay? So this is definitely what the alerts look like. And then, guys, wait, there's more. There's more. Like a shitty infomercial, there's a lot more, because these alerts by next week will be updated with option price at the point of the cross. So you're not overpaying for the options contract. You will know exactly what you need to pay for that option based on that point in time for that cross. What does that mean? It means maximum money. That's it. Can we get a hashtag on that? Maximum money. All right. Let's see. Sparrow. Jesus Christ. Dude, whatever. Let's see here. We go ahead. These are the alerts, okay? And it's Sparrow, what calls do you want me to make? I'm calling out tickers that people want. It's really that simple, okay? Sparrow's like, I'm out. We got constant haters, man. Obviously people are fucking allergic to money. So, like, really. All right. What about ED, erectile dysfunction? Let's see. Is it good to trade off the trading view buy and sell signals? Yes, you can, but you need to use all the indicators. You need to use all the indicators. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and yeah. Sparrow just doesn't get it. Right? Sparrow wants the government to give him his money. Let's see. So we have AMD. Again, AMD just rim jobbing that 13, right? You've had opportunities to secure the bag with AMD. I don't know why you have not. If you took this call, please secure the bag. It's really that simple, okay? TradingView data is delayed. You have to buy real-time data from TradingView. That's Orca, New York Stock Exchange, and NASDAQ. Those additionals, they're about $2 a piece for an additional $6, all right? And that's simple, okay? Then you have real-time data. So we can go ahead and check out Goldman Sachs. We'll check out GS here, get on the chart, and we're getting this cross up here, right? We're about to get this cross up on Goldman Sachs. And this is actually a good thing, right? Because you get that cross up and you're looking at these significant levels that it reached yesterday, right? So if you're going to play Goldman Sachs, again, pay attention to these indicators here. You get this call here. Now you're looking for at or about 314.19. Okay. So that's where we would end up going. Should we get a call on the 5 minute, please do not front run. All right. Goldman Sachs, socks is socks. Right. I'm the kind of guy that says instead of saying car, I say car. It is just different. Right. So let's go ahead, and real time data is a must for quick scalps. Absolutely. ED. Are we really looking at Consolidated Edison? Okay. Consolidated Edison. Here we go. This is the chart here. And it's not much of a mover. You did get the call from yesterday. And then you do have resistance here at 96.07. Currently trading at 95.77. So, yeah, you want to go ahead and wait, see where the RSI is trending up. It's kind of going flat, actually. So, just wait for this play to develop. I think if you're playing the option on this, 96.07, 96.08 is where you want to go. All right, let's see. Cologne, Junior Cologne. Gabe, given months of doing any chance you've done any data analysis on time of day calculations for most common moves? No, we don't overcomplicate something that's already simple, right? We do have bots that we're bringing to market, and we also have a bot that can go ahead and also calculate and anticipate crossovers based on velocity and geometry. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out Roblox. Let's see. Roblox. I'm so used to saying Robux, but it's Roblox. And, yeah. So we got this call here. Good. That's wild. That's mean. That's secure the bag. All right. That's all I got to tell you. If you came in at $31 and now it's at $33 and you played this option, go ahead and secure the bag. Yeah. You guys are fucking beasts. You're beasts. You make that money, all right? Fuck everybody else, man. Fucking degenerates. Just worthless garbage, complainers and whiners, fucking Karens, the generation where they came in 8th place and they still got a trophy. Their mother told them she loved them, told him he was special, but really he wasn't special. I mean, how do you tell one kid he's special? You got a bunch of other kids that their parents are telling them that they're special. And I mean, even that logic, it doesn't make sense, right? Because what that means is that in order for that child to feel special, everybody else has to be losers. So now you are facilitating a narcissist complex within that child. It doesn't make sense, right? Sparrow isn't special. People just aren't special, right? Just a bunch of dumb fucks who feel entitled. That's serious. Like, nobody made me feel special. I was reminded that I had life hard. I was fucking reminded. It was appreciate what you do have, and make sure you're always learning, right? And don't be a cocky asshole. Which, ironically, I sort of kind of am, but I will humble myself to smart motherfuckers. That's why I surrounded myself with smart motherfuckers. We got Algo, we got Andy, we got Ivan, we have TMI and STV. Seriously, just a bunch of smart motherfuckers, right? I'm not doing this alone. All right, here we go. Let's rock and roll. Let's make some money. You think we can see 398 on the SPY today? I need it to get there. I've been an advocate for 380, right? And the SPY is just she's a funny thing. Now, guys, remember we were talking about on a live stream this week that we could see a move up to the 13 on the daily, and then it would rim job down. I'm really hoping this rim job down is what brings us back to 380. Okay, want to go ahead and check target? Why are we checking target? Does it have some life? Did they breathe some life into target? Let's go ahead and see. Target on the 5-minute. Do you have no target? Target is a limp dick. No need for target right now. What are we doing here? Listen, if you were holding target, holding target calls overnight, I feel bad for you, son. But I got 99 problems. Target ain't one. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at Facebook. Here we go. Meta platforms. Hey, Facebook ranging. No bueno. Who cares? Don't want it. This does not equal money. This equals confusion. This equals confusion. All right. Hafid Perez says, ReviewDork, longtime subscriber. Glad to hear from you. I've seen the car accident. You tweeted. I also follow you on Twitter. Hey, man. Thank you. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. All right. My only regret was not, taking out the steak knives and just cutting that. Oh man. Oof. It was brutal. Okay. Let's see Square. You guys want to see Square? Let's go ahead and check out Square. We got Block Inc. at Square. Whoa, Square. There you go. Okay, so let's see. We go ahead and we zoom out. We always zoom out, okay? Because we got to find a level before we take a call. You're alerted on a 3-minute, but you're playing it on 5, right? And in those 5 minutes, you go ahead and you attempt to find levels that it could possibly hit. Now, what's happening here? Okay, let me explain what's happening with Square here. If you took this call here, you're profitable, right? There was no reason to absorb this. You should have just taken it, right? And how would you know the top? How would you know that that's the top, right? Well, the RSI tells you that's the top. Whenever the RSI crosses its moving average, it runs. Whenever it crosses below its moving average, which is this yellow line, it dips. So you were warned here by the RSI on this candle right here that it was no bueno. Now, on the 5-minute, it is what we're doing. It is what we call a rim job, right? So we're waiting for the MACDs to print some green on the histogram, but it is very, very possible that we see a bounce off to 13 once again and a continuation. But if the SPY, we got to look at the SPY. If the SPY brings everything down, the SPY brings everything down. So what does that mean? You secure the bag, make that money, day done. Okay? Day done. That's it. Take your green, move on to the next play. No emotions, all right? Because there are a lot of people who are holding on too long and now they're suffering from emotional damage. Hey, Gabe, what's one of the best things that's happened to you? Your dad story still kills me every time I think of you telling it. Let me see. The best thing that ever happened to me was that my dad didn't pull out and bust me all over the floor. That is the best thing that ever happened to me, right? Because now I'm here able to teach you guys and create a legacy and hopefully teach you a skill that you could teach your kids, your family, your loved ones, right? And really teach financial literacy and financial independence, right? But you can do that by following the rules. All right. The put indicators are wrong in the alerts. They're giving indications for calls. That doesn't seem right, really. I'll go ahead and get that checked out. For you. Let's see. He says, I got to go to the surgeon. Good luck today. Everyone joined that Discord. It's worth it. Yeah, we did an update to the signals today. So I'm going to have to go ahead and scrub against those alerts and make sure they're saying what they're saying and saying what they need to say. Okay. So sorry about that. Did you get those shirts? Did you get those shirts yet for you and your brother? I have not. Okay. Bjorn, good shit. Hope you have, whatever your doctor's appointment is. Is it a penis enlargement? I don't know. Victor Rosas says he's sold. He is going to join. Let's rock and roll. Get yourself joined up. Coin is another one with some downside coming. All right. We don't speculate here. We just play the charts. All right, guys. Morgan. Guys, the ladies in this Discord are fucking killing it. They're just destroying everything. They're on that Beyonce shit right now. They don't need no man. They don't want no scrub. They don't want none of that. They're just killing it. Let's see. Let's see. I got to go ahead and check out those charts. We're going to go ahead and check out those layouts. All right. But either way, you go ahead and take the alert. The alerts are still in real time, even though maybe there's a mismatch happening today because we did update the router. We'll go ahead and just scrub through that right now. But the alerts are still valid in the time frame, right? So even though you see a call on the alert, if you click it, if you see a put, it's still relevant. Okay. So that's simple. All right, guys, it is 11:08 a.m. Make sure you stay tuned for 2 p.m. I will have Diana on board, and she will go ahead and talk about her story, her plays, what she plays, and her commitment to 1348. She really has a great story. All right. And that's it. Okay. So, ladies and gents, I'm signing out. I'll see you at 2. Make sure you check out TMI. Make sure you check out STV, and make sure you sign up for this Discord. I'm telling you guys, you are going to print. You're gonna make money. Okay? That's simple. You're gonna make money. And the thing is that our community, those who know the rules, they're also gonna guide you. All right? You gotta remember this, right? You gotta remember this. It takes a community to raise a child. And well, it's going to take a community to make a fucking trader out of you. All right. Let's rock and roll. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe, do whatever the fuck you got to do. I got to sign out. Time to do my own trading, make some money. All right, guys. You know how we do. Peace, 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 peace. See you at 2. I'm outie.